welcome to the first annual Data Analytics Conference where we're exploring careers in data analytics. Yay!
Yay!
Do we have any students in the audience? Could you say yay?
Yay!
Yay! Okay, all right, so let's start. First, I want to give a special thanks to our sponsor, Douglas College, Rutgers University in New Brunswick, New Jersey. Are there any Rutgers students here today? Yes?
Hi. Me. I'm one of them.
That's great. That's great. Okay, so I'm going to say a few things, and then I'm going to introduce our speakers for the day. So I am your host. My name is Amy Moore, and you know, there's a lot of examples of data analytics careers, but there's like an infinite number of variations where you're manipulating data and it's data driven. Okay, and I just captured a few of them, and I found speakers from different concentrations and different disciplines to give you a sense of what is out there for you. Statistics, biostatistics, statistical programming, economics, data science, and then there's some interdisciplinary fields where you're using some form of data, okay? And then there are others. So I encourage you to go out and look and see what's out there. That's me. My name is Amy Moore. I am the owner of Moore Statistics Consulting, and I'm the founder of the Foundation for Moore Statistics. And I'm also a biostatistician, and I like to think of myself as a creative educator because I'm always thinking of ways to help people learn, okay? So here's my background. This is what I've been exposed to throughout my career: statistical programming, creative thinking, I've worked with pharmaceutical companies, I've worked in academia. I started out actually in a marketing department in an insurance company. And from there, I moved on to pharma, and I found my love of teaching. So I started to teach, and I've authored several books, and I have several creative projects running at the same time, really. So I have an active mind. So that is what I'm into. That's what I'm doing. And this is actually what I'm going to do briefly is give you a sense of what statistics means to me in terms of data analytics and how the two are related. This is just something I thought of as I was putting together my slides. It's data analytics careers has peaks and valleys, and you really need to learn the terrain. You know, it's great if you find a job, but you want to learn the boundaries and parameters of that particular job and that career. So for the students who are out here listening to this, go out there and study it. You know, don't just, study it in the classroom, but also look and see what people are doing. And so this is an opportunity for you to explore. These are the types of jobs that I've been exposed to in my career in statistics. Okay, you know, there are people behind the scenes that work with the data intimately. Data managers, statistical programmers, and then there's people who make decisions with the analysis, the statisticians, the biostatisticians. So I started out behind the scenes, and then I eventually became, made decisions throughout my career, and also training others. As I said before, teaching and training others is a valuable tool. To be able to explain the theory is valuable. And here are some skill sets that I feel you should know. You should know how to manipulate files in statistical programming. You should be able to explain to someone, what does the output mean? What does this show me? You know, it's not just enough to know how to do something like merge files and create this fancy program, but what exactly is this showing me? Be able to explain it to someone else, be able to practice your decision-making skills. Find an internship where you can practice, okay? Because it starts to stick, and then over time you have to look up less and less. That's my belief. And finally, automating your program for multiple parameters, especially in corporate. They're really big on analyzing multiple parameters the same way. So it would be very valuable, and you would be an asset to a company if you're able to do that, you know? So that's just my take on it. And finally, this is a great opportunity to talk to as many people as possible and find your person. Find that person that is an asset to your growth in your career, and cultivate relationships, okay? Seek out opportunities to learn statistical methods if statistics is what you want to do, okay? Look for jobs that promote growth, where they'll encourage you to learn. And then here are just a few friendly reminders. Like I said before, network with as many people as possible. Ask questions, take notes, you know, request informational interviews with people. You'd be amazed. They may say something, an expert might say something that sparks an idea in your brain, and you're able to go and pursue that. So do ask questions.